Alright, so this video will be sort of a how-to video for the bike rack, except I'm not going to be using the actual bike rack parts or the dimensions. That'll be for you to create, because I don't actually have the dimensions on me. So I'm just going to create a rough how-to. I'm going to be creating the nut, the bolt, and the base, along with how to constrain the base parts together properly. So I'm going to start out just by teaching you how to do the nut and bolt. So you're going to come in here and go a polygon and a hexagon. And you want to come out however far you need to come out, because you can select a point, bring it out, and give it whatever dimension you want. So let's say it's like a 1-inch dimension. So there we go. We have a 1-inch hexagon. Then you want to extrude it out however far. I'm guessing probably about 0.25 or something like that. So the next part is to create the actual extended part. So I'm just going to draw a line from this edge to this edge, then right in the middle, make a circle for however big the bolt needs to be. So I'm going to go with 1/8 of an inch. Nah, that's too big. I mean, that's too small. I'm going to go with about 0.5. So I'm going to extrude both faces just because I screwed up. However far you need to be, I'm just going to guess 3 inches. So as you can see, we have, sorry for that rustling, we have a basic nut and bolt, and it's very out of proportion, but you get the point. So next thing you want to do is come in and select thread under hole. You want to click the cylinder, I guess. Now, if you don't need to be full length, don't select full length, then you can select the inches or however far you want right there. I'm just going to go with 2. And that is how you create a basic bolt. Now, actually, I believe I can, from the, you don't need to do this, but I'm going in the same, file here. I'm just going to create the bolt. So I'm just going to offset from plane there for an inch or so. If you don't know how to do this, you'll find out sooner or later. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do a polygon, go out, say like oh my god, I'm up there again. Never mind. Sorry, Davies just put on a video. Whoops. Sorry for that. So I have my octagon. I'm gonna come out, say 0.25 inches. And then I'm gonna do the same thing as before with the circle right in the center. What I had the last one at 0.5. You're gonna need this at the exact same dimensions as you create this cylinder right here as. So I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna cut it. So yeah, you know this cylinder hole right there that the bolt can fit on. And now I'm gonna thread the inside of it and apply. And now we have our nut and our bolt. When you make this, you'll want it to be on separate files, but for the sake of time, I just create it on the same file. Now I'm gonna pause the video here and go into a new file and make the 3 basic parts for the bike rack, the base of it, and I'll show you how to assemble them. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I was able to find 3 of my old bike racks when I took the CAD class. So I got the 3 parts here exactly. Now the first thing you want to do is to constrain the bottom of, I'm going to do this small piece first. Ignore that hole. I know that's not right. So I'm going to constrain those pieces together. And the next thing I'm going to do is constrain this side to this. Now obviously that isn't correct, and you don't want it on the side. So I'm going to offset it. About, whoops. 2, so that's, too far. 0.25 inches. Whoa, what did I do? Whatever I did something very wrong there, so I'm gonna go back. Sorry about that. So, that bottom, again, that bottom to the bottom, and then this side to this side, flush it, and we'll offset, let's say, 2.5 to start with. Not quite far enough, so I'm going to go 0.4. That looks about right. So I'm just going to do a rough estimate that's equal. Now the very last part about this is I'm going to constrain this face to this face, and then offset it. Oops. I'm not quite sure why this isn't working here. There we go. I had to flush it. Sorry about that. So that line right there is just for measurements for me. So I'm gonna go out 1.5. Then apply. There you go. Now you have that constrained front. And we're going to do much the same process for this other piece. Again, ignore the random hole there. So, that face to that face, this side to this side, flush it, and then offset it, say 0.4. No, it's not nearly far enough. 0.5, about 1. 1.5 there. I'm gonna do 1.6. There we go. So I went 1.6, apply, and then this face to this face. Make sure it's flush, and go out where my measurements say about 6 inches, and then apply. And now you have your finished bike rack. Now if you watch the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assemble all the parts of the bike rack together. I did not show you how to do the arms, that I'm assuming you can do yourself. They're not super difficult, but I just want to show you the nut, the bolt, and how to put this base together. Next, I'll show you how to put the bike rack together. Alright, so good luck, guys.